That's right. Woo. Oh yeah, she gasped. Like she lowered it down. She put on there. Who? Got front row seat, got phone. There's some crispy mac and cheese. I like that heart in the beginning. No. Look at the moon. It is risen a lot. One, we are both out inside. One just, like, two of them lit the whole field right here. Alright. That one's good. That sounded like a gunshot. It sounded more like a grenade. That was a gunshot. And I know that was a gunshot, probably. Sounded like a few bombs. No, that was not bombs. Bombs are way louder. Hopefully one of them didn't explode, like and that stuff in it a lot exploded, right? Yeah. Well, no, because then we'll be seeing fire, right? On YouTube, there's a Minecraft animation, and it's called Prank Call. The Prank Call 1 is funny. And Prank Call 2. Jeez! Viewers both get to see this. You said this kind of drop out there. Alright, you scared me, I know. Whoa! That was cool.
Oh, you see your girlfriend?
Why do some of them do that little trail? That's exactly what it sounded like. Get out my chair!
Honey, I'm actually scared. Look at what they're doing. Right after a firework, they do it. That was 3!
But it sounded like 2 though.
It was 3 though, because you could see the 3 little
Yeah,
things
or
going
one
up.
of them was a dud.
It went big, little, tiny.
What's in this bacon? What's in this thing?
Bacon.
But
Greg, you're eating macaroni with bacon.
it doesn't have bacon. Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it does.
You know you're still recording, right? Yeah.
Ren, it's fine though, because they were trying to pick all the bacon they can.
That made me spill my drink. made me spill my drink so bad. I was drinking so it wouldn't get anything in my cup because I was letting it face that way and I grabbed it. When it popped, it spilled on the syrup. This is a good way to attract a lot of subscribers and viewers, right? You're gonna love this. That sounded like a bomb, didn't it? I wonder what that one was. Yeah, I think that's a little.
That's not a firework.
Yeah, that is a lot of noise pollution. Because bats and owls have sensitive hearing. Okay,